Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and install of my new drive-by dash cam. Super excited for this one. I do want to thank the company for sending this out for you, but let's go ahead and check it out. Guys, this one, I haven't seen a dash cam quite like this one. It is 4K to start off with. It's got 4 different channels on there. Kind of shows you how to set it all up. Instruction manual. Thank you. Wow. Here it is. I'm just gonna go over it real quick and then I'll show it in action, but these will turn 180 so that way you can see right, left, front, and you can even see back on this display right here. This is sweet. All right, and then we got these. All right, so this will be kind of to like clean it up. This is like an extra sticky tab to put it up, and then more devices to install it. Then here's the Type-C cable for the vehicle, and the rear view camera as well. So the car will be fully set up. Like I said, all angles of the vehicle will be able to be seen on this one or on these cameras right here. So, and the other thing that I wanted to show is right up here. So you got your power, the reset, the 2 channels, and then it also comes with a 128 gig micro SD card already ready to go. So usually they sell that separate. This one's on here ready to go. So let's go ahead and hook it up and see how it works. First, you're going to want to go ahead and download the application, and then you're going to want to connect your camera to it. All right, guys, so this is how it looks once it's actually fully set up. I'm doing it directly from the camera, so this is how it all looks and sounds. Man, I'm really impressed by the camera. Just these 2 side cameras where you can angle them wherever you want. I think that's really convenient for just about anybody in general, like especially like Uber drivers. You're able to see, people behind you, things like that, and record it. Even if you don't do like Uber and stuff like that, it would still be very beneficial to have it, just because if you have like a dash cam, normally these 2 sides you can't really see too well, but with this, like, you can basically cover the whole car. So I thought that was really, really neat, as well as the front camera, it being 4K. Like, man, the quality was really nice. I do like that you can also change the settings within the camera. And what I mean by that is, like, you can change it to like dash cam, you can change it to dashboard, and it will just show like the vehicle itself along with how fast you're going. Like, it just does a lot of features on here. Once I downloaded it, the app, it was super easy to work on here. Man, this drive-by, I hadn't seen one with so many cameras built in. So here's what the cameras look like in action. This is the front 4K camera. This is what it'll look like on the application itself. As you can see, the 4K quality is really nice on that front camera. Gets a whole picture of everywhere that you are driving. Okay, and then on this part, I'm going to go ahead and show all the different camera angles that it has. So this is the left driver's side. Then this is the passenger side in full screen. This is the 4K front camera. And then the backup camera right here. All right, guys, so there you have all of the cool features that the drive-by 4K camera does. Some of the last few things that I'll point out is you don't have to worry that it's running the 4 cameras, because it's got a lot of ventilation on here so it doesn't overheat, as well as still having it connected to the Wi-Fi on 5G, or it connected to your phone. You don't have to worry about that. And then one thing that it also has voice control, so as if you're driving, you're also able to operate it as well. So again, if you're looking for a new dash cam that can basically see the entire vehicle, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend this one.